Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Mr. Romero with 21st Century Pasco, and in today's video we're going to be doing a Crazy 8 activity, Toilet Paper Olympic Edition. Now you might be wondering, Mr. Romero, what do you mean by Toilet Paper Olympics? Well, I'm glad you're wondering that exact question because we're going to get into what the Olympics actually is first. The Olympics, a modern international sports competition held every 4 years in which countless countries around the world showcase their athletes to participate in a variety of competitions. These competitions range from the 100-meter run, which is a sprint race of 100 meters, or the shot put, which is an athletic contest in which a very heavy ball is thrown as far as possible to get the best distance. In today's video, this is the event that we're going to be recreating, the shot put. So before we get into our video, we're going to need toilet paper, measuring tape or ruler, an object to hold down weight, a Sharpie or pen, a calculator, and a piece of paper. And make sure you write down how many inches it is on the side. This is going to be crucial because we're going to use this at the end of our video when we're done with our shot put activity. But you're still wondering, what's the toilet paper for? So you know, in the Olympics and the shot put, super strong women and men throw big metal balls of steel. Well, today we're going to be throwing toilet paper. First things first, we're going to make our measurement, which is going to be the toilet paper roll. Each square is a unit of measurement, okay? Depending on how far you throw it, on the square, that's how you know like how far the distance was for the shot put. So you're just gonna roll it a good 10 feet. You can also place rocks, that way it doesn't blow away. So I just got done laying out the toilet paper. Hopefully the sprinklers don't turn on and get the toilet paper wet. Make sure after you throw the toilet paper to mark off where it landed with the Sharpie, or you can even place like an object like a rock where it landed. Okay, this is my first attempt. Let's see if it comes out well. So just like in the Olympics, they hold the toilet paper by the throat and they throw it like that.
Here's the result, a throw of nearly...
Most of you might be strong, so try not to throw it too far, especially if you have neighbors living in the back of you. You might land in their yard. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, throw. Let's go check out where it landed. Let's see, let's move this out the way. So it landed about here, at this square right here. So I'm gonna mark my initials where it landed. And you're gonna do this for a total of 4 times, just to see if you can beat your best distance all those 4 times. So this is my first. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna mark off where it landed. Initials. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I think I landed on the same spot. You did. I'm gonna write the initials. Hopefully this time it goes a little farther. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it. 3. You can also do the crazy flips that the Olympics do. Ah! The last throw, just to make it more dramatic. So like this. Last throw. My first throw was actually my farthest one, right over here. Now that we completed all of our turns, we're going to go ahead and measure out where all of our throws landed. The way we're going to do that is we're going to get the length, which is 4.1 inches on the side of the toilet paper, and then we're going to count down the squares all the way to where our throw landed and measure out the distance from there. So for example, if it landed at, let's say, square 105, I would do 4.1 times 105, and then that will give me 430.5 inches. But we're not going to go off inches for our distance. We need to find out a way how to convert that into feet. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a moment to think about like how we're going to convert that into feet. So if there's 12 inches and 1 foot and we need to go off feet, that means every 12 inches is 1 foot. So we have to divide our total, which was how much? 430.5 for our example, and divide that by 12 inches because 12 inches is 1 foot. Whatever that is will be the total feet for that distance. So 430.5 divided by 12 equals 35.8 feet. You're going to have to do the math for every turn, so make sure you keep a paper and pen nearby and keep track. The squares, count the squares all the way down to where you threw your where your toilet paper landed. So let's go ahead and count the squares that I have. My toilet paper is all messed up, I know. It could be a little tedious working with this, so go ahead and count the squares. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm at 134 right here, squares of toilet paper. And I believe this was my third and I believe fourth time I threw it. This was my third and fourth at 135, right? 135. Yeah, 135. So I'm going to go ahead and cut myself off. What I'm going to do is times the inches by the toilet paper square. So it's going to be 4.1 times 134. That'll give me 549 inches. But we're going to divide that by 12, right? Because 12 inches is in 1 foot. Divide that by 12, it should be 45.7 feet. Sweet. Not bad for a throw. Make sure you do this for all your other turns too, all your other throws. Record a log. And you could also play with another person too. Make sure you take 1 turn each for 4 turns. Battle out to see who has the better record, the better distance. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I hope to see you soon. See ya. We're about to head toward the ends of. Okay, stop it.